अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं अब्दुल अजीम। 7H न्यूज में आपका इस्तकबाल है। हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस कमिश्नर अंजनी कुमार ने साइबर क्राइम ब्रांच का अचानक से दौरा करते हुए वहां के काम का मुआयना किया। आइए देखते हैं इस मामले पर राहुल की ये रिपोर्ट।
Logical, physical, and file system. Three exercises. Logical exercise means type data as it is when converted data, immediately strictly extract the limit.
20 GB data only. Okay. ఈ 20 GB డేటాలో కొన్ని విజువల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని టెక్స్ట్ ఉంది, కొంచెం డౌన్లోడెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇంటర్నెట్.
It will change. Why? Because if it is in another layers of the data will be available in seven layers. That data also will be recovered. If it is 20 GB, back end if you deleted.
Forensic neutrality. Whether is it okay or it is not okay from that end? It is fine.
One more is oxygen.
You go for oxygen or you try for oxygen.
And I don't know. Correct me if I am wrong. So roughly in 1 week, how many cases come to you?
7 to 8 months. We also present psychopath cases. All
So average every day one.
every day.
And at that time you put on the.
iPhone it will take 1.5 days. 1.5.
Is there any phone which is not compatible to this?
iPhone 7, iOS 9.3 will be not compatible.